Welcome back and continuing the news. From adrenaline-packed rides to eco-adventures, Jamwest Motorsports and Adventure Park is shifting gears, not just for thrill seekers, but for Jamaica's tourism economy. Here's Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
It's an hour and 30 minutes drive away from the Sangster International Airport. But as soon as tourists touch down, Jamwest Motorsports and Adventure Park is high on the list of must-see places.
We have a Jam Culture Tour, which involves going along the trail with a tour guide, looking at things endemic to Jamaica, looking at our endangered species. And we also have the horseback ride and swim. We also have the ATV, the zip line, and a tour that we have created, which is a mountain slide.
Behind all the thrills and mud-splattered fun lies something even more captivating, a story that started out with the founder's automotive background.
Back in the 2000s, there was a trend of modifying sports cars from Japan, and we played a big role in that. We had this property, and so my father, Mr. Ian Gordon, decided that he would build a motorsports facility where persons who have invested in these sports cars could come and race them in a safe environment. We realized that we had wetlands on the property and things that we could feature, other things that tourists would be interested in. So he made some trails. We decided that we could also use the same trails for ATVs.
With the help of the Exim Bank, the company brought in their first fleet of ATV units, and from there, in 2016, they officially shifted gears and opened Jamwest Motorsports and Adventure Park.
Jamwest Motorsports and Adventure Park recently opened another property in Negril on the 7 Mile Beach. That's Jamwest Beach. After having that property, we were able to add another product to our list. We now offer catamaran tours where you can come and do a sunset party cruise.
And while 90% of their patrons are tourists, there is still a steady rev of support from locals.
Since 2020, we invested heavily in a water park, and our regular packages, we give locals 30% off anything that they want to do here.
The foot traffic speaks for itself. The multi-million-dollar investment is paying off. The company has grown by over 300%.
High season for Jamwest starts in April, right up to about September when school opens. We'll see a dip in the season. Some of the challenges that we face here are supply for goods that we would need for our food and beverage department. We also would like some more help from the Tourism Enhancement Fund in fixing the roads to access the adventure park.
Challenges aside, their engine is still running. This isn't the final lap.
We have had a request from our partners that we do business with to have another property similar to this on the northern side of the island.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.